Performing general maintenance on your JMA prep tools will allow greater consistency and faster, more reliable installations. Let's review some simple practices. It's important to routinely clear debris when you're in the field. During cable prep, coax debris often remains in the tool. Clear away any large dangling debris. Use your pick tool to clear any debris prior to the next prep. This prevents the tool from binding on the cable. You'll want to periodically inspect the tool's blades to ensure that cutting edges are not worn or chipped. Notice in this SP12S tool, there's an additional rear set screw. This should be loosened before and tightened after replacing the blade. Using your supplied Allen wrench, loosen the set screws and remove the blade. This blade is visibly chipped, which will keep you from making clean cuts. This new blade is properly sharp. Insert the new, sharp blade using the supplied Allen wrench until it's finger tight. Remember that certain models have a rear set screw that needs to be tightened after the blade is replaced. While you have your Allen wrench out, there's an additional opportunity to check for debris. Tools in use for 6 months or more should have the ball bearings removed to clear any small shavings from each cavity. This allows the ball bearings to move freely. See the fine debris that can naturally accumulate over time. Also give the spring a few knocks. After clearing debris, reinsert the ball bearing, spring, and set screw until finger tight. Now your ball bearings will move freely, allowing for clean cuts. These simple, fast, and reliable maintenance steps will help ensure the longevity and field readiness of your JMA prep tools.